Hello, friends. Welcome to the Kids Farhan Show. Today, we're going to learn some amazing colors together. Are you ready? Yay! Let's go! This is the color red. Red like an apple, red like a car, and red like this ball. Can you say red?
Red.
Great job! Can you find something red around you? Look closely.
The car is red.
Now let's see blue. The sky is blue, the fish is blue, and choo-choo, the train is blue. Can you say blue?
Blue.
Wonderful! Do you see something blue near you?
The sky is blue.
Wow! Look at yellow. The sun is yellow, bananas are yellow, and quack quack, the duck is yellow too. Can you say yellow?
Yellow.
Fantastic! Now flap your wings like a yellow duck. Quack, quack. Here comes green. Green like the trees, green like a frog, and green like this ball. Can you say green?
Green.
Awesome! Can you point to something green?
The tree is green.
Great job, friends! Let's remember the colors we learned today.
Red. Blue. Yellow. Green.
Colors bright for me and you.
You are so smart.
Let's find colors everywhere. Red, blue,
Thank you for learning with us on the Kids Farhan Show. Don't forget to come back for more fun and learning. Bye bye, friends. See you next time.